Do you like me? No? Why? You like this? So guys, hi, my name is FunProp. Did you like me? Huh? Why? So these are fun things. So today I'm going to show you how to make these called flip cards. So yeah, let's go. Hey guys, and I'm gonna tell you now why I'm making this video, because in the last video I made that how to make spectacles from coconut leaves. If you don't check it out, go check it out there on the I button. And I have asked in a poll that should I make crafting videos, and most of you guys have told yes you can. So that's why I'm making this video on flip cards. So how to make this, enjoy. So guys, to make these flip cards you'll be needing just a paper. It can be square paper, or you can just torn out a piece of a paper like this. And if you want a small one, you can just do it here, make up here. Anything you draw, you can make it as a mouth or whatever you want. Just one thing. So first of all, you get your paper. It's good if you have square paper. Then first you need to do is get this, not half, go about 30%, and then do this. It may not be equal, it doesn't matter. Then go to the opposite side and go again 30%. So I guess that's it. Yeah, and here remember, in the last part you should have a little bit of space left. So after that you just have a type of thunderbolt type thing. So you just here draw whatever you want. It may be a mouth, but I'm simply going with a mouth. Just first draw like that, overlay out the thing. That's funny, right? I know, I don't know what to draw. Then open it, then join the edges, then join the mouths, and give big tits, as big as you want. And there you go, you have your small little thing. Hi, how did you? What? That looks funny. So guys, you can make it another way too, that you just fold it up like so, and then it's another way that it looks pretty good. And I mentioned it may be copied, I don't know. Just make two eyes, straight eyes, and then a smile. If you want to give smile you can, but a little bit type of your beard that is in the chin or whatever that is. So just lay out your face, whatever hairstyle you want. That's a good hairstyle. And then open it. From here, this no longer be your eyes. So I'm telling you why. As you saw in the first clip, this becomes your eyebrows. Yeah, that's pretty much good, right? So you just make your mouth there, give your tongue, I don't know if that become a tongue or whatever that is. And yeah, you can see, so cute, but you never think it is like this. Right? You can make details on it, make it beautiful, and troll guys if they don't know about it. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it for the video guys. Hope you guys have liked this video. And today's poll is that, do you like iOS or Android? So go to the poll upside down. And yeah, thanks for watching guys. Peace.